What's good, y'all? Today is November 17th. It is a Monday today. I want to go over a trade that I took today to pass both of my evals. So, pretty simple today. Nothing really too complicated for you guys. Um, yeah, just going to go over right now. So, let me pull price back to where what we were looking at coming to open. So I opened, this is kind of what I was looking at. We're just gonna go on a 1 hour time frame. So we are coming from sell side of the curve. So we're coming from sell side. We have an S&T at the low, um, and we also have this first president 1 hour FEG. Price wants to come down here. We could rebalance this and have a buy move back up. But especially us being so bearish, coming from sell side was very important in this instance of market conditions. So, just starting off, we're trending lower for sure. Like we're trending lower, coming into this 4 hour FEG, coming into this low in this 4 hour FEG. So I was looking to at least target an unfilled gap, at least on the buy move back up if we want to get good displacement higher. And yeah, that's straight up just it. We had London high here, and then obviously sell side and buy side of the curve. Which is something I don't use normally, but we're also rebalancing equilibrium, swing low to swing high, rebalance 4 hours, sweeping liquidity, and then having a buy move back up. So pretty textbook today, especially on a no news Monday, which is very rare. So we had this 1 hour unfilled here, which I was just looking for it to get filled. That's about it. So nothing like super complicated today, I would say. So we're sweeping here, sweeping even the smaller sweep here, have a good V shape, and then yeah, going break even at this high. And yeah, so we end up leaving. So these are all inversions here. So these are all gonna be inverted. We leave a fair value gap behind, so I put my stops up under the fair value gap, and then we end up having good displacement higher now. Yeah, so we have a good displacement candle. Yeah, having a V-shaped recovery from here. We invert all these gaps, as well as a change of state as well. But just added confluences always help. So we have change of state as well, and then yeah, so we trade lower into this 1 hour, 1 minute FEG right here. This has to hold. If this doesn't hold, then I don't want to be in the trade anymore. We go break even at the high. 5 minute, I want to see this 5 minute get ran through, and we're targeting the 1 hour unfilled. Pretty simple stuff. So if I were to enter on this, I did enter on 1 minute here. This is micro, so I had to put 10. Stops were here. TP was here. So pretty simple TP here. Just targeting a 1 hour unfilled, break even at this at the high, and then yeah, obviously the end draw being, look at all these highs here that we have. So we have a ton of highs here. So we have these highs here, and then even higher like here, and then the end draw being London high there. So as long as we have an overall form of bias, it doesn't matter what you target, just as long as it's reasonable. So obviously this is reasonable. Obviously having a London high, it's reasonable, but like the 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 ability or the the times you can get stopped out are so much more because of what you're targeting as well. So yeah, so one more time with the added confluence. So we're rebalancing this 4 FAG, sweeping liquidity, rebalancing equilibrium, coming from sell side, having the SMT at the very high time frame low. Obviously we have targets above, sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve, and then we have a smaller sweep. We do have good displacement through the candles as well, so it's not laggy. We have good strong displacement, and yeah, sweep, V shape, and yeah, pretty simple stuff here. So and yeah, so we end up having stops here, TP here, and then we just let the trade run. Pretty strong. Gonna break even at that high, and then yeah, So really good. Can't remove my stops. Great. Okay, whatever. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Nothing too complicated today. Glad I was able to pass my evals. So now we have 5 accounts. So we're gonna be able to trade them accordingly. We're gonna do a lot of smaller risk. Not gonna be risking as much as I did on my evals because I do want to build my confidence a little bit better. So I'm going into slowly 2 micros, 1 micro, most likely two only, two, no matter what the trade is. And yeah, just build confidence from there. So I can have bigger stops and all that stuff. So yeah, so hopefully, coming in the following weeks, we're able to bank. Obviously, it's going to be a lot when it comes to trading kind of new type of models. I do have a lot of models, the mech model, continuation, and reversals. So these are all good. This is considered a reversal model and it's for FEG targeting a 1 hour unfilled, which is here. Obviously, there's other for backups there, but yeah. So keep it simple today. I was very patient, very disciplined, and yeah. So make sure I follow your rules. Make sure I stay disciplined. So I'll catch you out tomorrow, Tuesday.